Hello students and welcome to our class on percentage. Percentage is a fractional form in which denominator is upon 100. Remember, percentage means always out of 100. Percentage is used when we calculate our marks to find our percentage for each subject, to find the percentage of any object, how much we have covered, the percentage of battery left on the phone. So, and many other examples are there of percentage. Today, we will see how to convert a fractional form into percentage and then percentage into fractional form and a few word problems. Let's see conversion of fraction to percentage. When we are given a fraction, there are two parts for fraction. One is the top part, which is called as the numerator, and down we have the denominator. Now in percentage, the fractional form has to be upon 100. So we have to make sure that we have 100 below. If it is not 100, we have to make that denominator 100, okay, by multiplying a number. Now it is already upon 100, so we don't need to do anything further. We just have to convert to percentage. Now from fraction to percentage is very easy. What you have to write is just the top number 40, and if it is upon 100, you can directly write the percentage sign. Let us take one more example. Let us say the percentage of the student is in this form, 7 upon 100 marks. Okay, 7 marks he obtained out of 100. So what is the percentage? So it will be just 7%. We remove the denominator because it is upon 100. So directly you can convert to percentage form. Let us see how to have when we have a percentage and we have to convert into a fractional form. Suppose we have the percentage given to us as 90% and we need to write in the fractional form. Very easy. You just have to put the number which is given to you as the numerator, remove the percentage sign, and it will become 90 upon 100. The percentage sign converts to the denominator 100. Let us take one more example. Suppose the percentage of battery left in the phone is 48%. Okay, so convert into fractional form. Just the number, the numerator 48, remove the percentage sign, and it will be upon 100. Isn't it easy? Let's take one word problem on percentage. Okay, the word problem here is Tina scored 12 marks out of 50 in English, and Jack scored 25 marks out of 50 in Marathi, and Raju scored 9 marks out of 20 in EVS. Find out who scored better in the test. Now there are 3 people who have scored different marks out of different marks in respective subjects. Find out who has scored better based on the percentage. When we get the percentage only, we will know who has scored better in the test. Now what we will do is we will just write their marks along with their name. Okay, so we will write Tina. This is BR's solution. Okay, Tina scored 12 marks out of 50. 12 out of 50. In which subject? English. So we will write English here. Okay. Now, next is it should be upon 100. It is upon 50. So you have to make it upon 100. So which number when you multiply in the denominator will give you 100? So 50 multiplied by something should give you 100. What is that? 50 into 2. 2 times 50 gives you 100. Okay. Now since you have the denominator, take the same number on top. So remember we had done fractions the same way, but this is only one fraction we are doing at a time. But we know what denominator we need. So 100 should be the denominator. So since you have taken 2 down, take the same number on top. 12 twos is 24. Now can we write the percentage? Yes. So 24 upon 100 means it is 24%. We have to make it 100. Okay. It can be out of any marks, 20, 10, 50, 100, whatever. But the denominator should come as 100 before we get the percentage. Let us go for Jack's scoring. Jack has scored in Marathi 25 marks out of 50. Here also we have upon 50. So we have to multiply a number such that we get 100 in the denominator. So same number 50 into 2 it will come, and 25 is already there on top. To balance it out, we take the same number on top. So 25 into 2. If you multiply 25 into 2, we get 50. So 50 upon 100 directly convert to percentage. So it will be 50%. Okay, let's go for the third one. That is the last one of Raju's score. So we will write Raju has scored in EVS. How much marks? 9 out of 20. First write the marks. 9 out of 20 marks. Okay, then we will write here 20 and 9. Now we have to multiply 20 with a number such that it gives you 100. So it will be 20 into what will give you 100? 5 twos gives you 10. So 20 into 5 gives you 100. You have to solve it in the rough and check which number 20 into what will give you 100. Okay, mostly 5. When there is a 0 in the ends, 5 will help you to get 100. Okay, so same number you give on top. Since you have given 5 here down, the same number. 9 5s are 45. So our percentage directly will be 45%. Now, the last question is, since you have found the percentage by making everything upon 100, even this one was out of 50 and out of 20, but we know the percentage now because we have made same out of 100. Okay, find out who has scored better in the test. So who has scored better? You think Tina has scored 24, Jack has scored 50%, and Raju has scored 45%. So I think Jack has scored much better than the other two students. Therefore we will write Jack scored better in the test. So such simple problems will come, and with this we finish the chapter on percentage. The percentage chapter was only based on how to convert percentage into fraction and fraction into percentage, and a few word problem. Okay, thank you student. God bless you. Take care. Stay safe.